Hello everybody, welcome back to Mrs. Joy Food channel. In today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make another quick lockdown recipe, which is juicy chicken thigh and chicken drumstick in a pan. So if you are interested, please keep on watching this video. And I think it is one of the easiest and fastest during these crazy times. So please keep on watching and I'll see you next time. Let's get started. For this recipe, you need garlic granules. You also need some chicken seasoning. You do need onion powder. And of course, you need some salt to taste. In this recipe, I'm also going to use 1 or 2 Maggi cubes. I'll be cooking my food with vegetable oil, but olive oil works as well. So here I have got about 7 medium-sized chicken drumstick, and I'm going to add 2 chicken thigh to it. Okay, so in a bowl, add your washed chicken drumstick and chicken thighs, because you never know where this chicken comes from, although it is always well packaged, but no, you always need to wash it, especially in these crazy times. We all have to be very, very careful. So then I'm gonna add my 2 medium-sized chicken thighs to it. So it's very, very easy. Now I'm gonna add about half a cup of vegetable oil, and as I said, if you prefer to be more healthy and use olive oil, you're more than welcome to do it. And you know, sometimes I also use toasted sesame oil. It is perfect with this recipe as well. Okay, so now I'm gonna add my garlic granules, and you know I'm a big fan of garlic, so I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of it. I really am a fan of garlic. And then I'm gonna add my chicken seasoning, also about 2 tablespoons of the seasoning. And then I'm gonna add my onion powder. You know, I could have used fresh onion, but as I said, this is a quick lockdown recipe and you need fast things, you know. So again, I'm a big lover of onions, so I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of onion powder. And then I'm gonna add my salts, and here I'm just gonna add about 1 tablespoon of salt to it, because I'm also going to add my Maggi cube seasoning, which is also salted. So I decided to use 1 Maggi for now. Okay, so this is it. This is the seasoning you need. And now with washed hands, remember you have to wash your hands for 20 seconds. Mix all together, and then we are going to keep this in the fridge for about 20 minutes. But before we do that, we are going to cover our chicken drumsticks with cling film. Okay, so cover it and leave it in the fridge for 20 minutes. And this is it. It has been in the fridge for 20 minutes and I am ready to fry it. Okay, so I am not deep frying my chicken drumstick. I'm just going to cook it in a cast iron pan. Okay, so when the cast iron pan is very hot, and you know it can get hot very quickly, so be careful. Okay, you can add in your chicken drumstick and your chicken thigh, and as you can see, I didn't add any oil because there is already oil with my chicken, so I'm just going to add it, and that's it. I'm going to cover it now, okay, and leave it to cook for about 7 minutes. Okay, and then I'm going to turn my chicken drumstick over so that the other side can also cook perfectly. Please do not forget, cook it on a medium heat to low so that it doesn't burn, because I have noticed that when I use my cast iron, my food burns very quickly. So just to let you know. And this is it now. And one thing I also do, which is optional, I like to give it a little cut so that the inside cooks easily, but you don't have to do that. So after that, I am going to cover it again and let it cook for another 10 minutes. And my heat is on high now. And this is me, but as I said, I love garlic, so I have added another teaspoon of garlic granules, but you don't have to do that. If you want to add another spice to it that you think goes with chicken, please go ahead and use it. Okay, so now I am going to turn them over again, because as you can see it has become nice golden brown, and this is what we are looking for. And trust me, your house will smell so good. Oh my god. So this is it, guys. This is my quick lockdown chicken drumstick recipe. It is very quick, and I didn't deep fry it because this method is a bit healthier. Okay, but unless you want to put in the oven, you can also do that. But this is it. So imagine eating this with our Ghanaian shito, or with just pepper. Oh my god, it's just amazing. That's what I did. I just ate it like that, and this chicken didn't last even a day. Okay, so please do try it, you will love it. So thank you all for watching this video. You all take care of yourself, and I'll see you next time. Bye.